Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of off-roading essentials. We'll be exploring the top contenders for the title of the best Jeep floor mats. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a Jeep enthusiast, you won't want to miss this. Number 1. Husky Liner's remarkable floor mats, the ultimate game changer for Jeep enthusiasts. These rugged mats are built to endure the harshest terrains, shielding your Jeep's interior from dirt, mud, and spills. Crafted with precision, their custom-fit design ensures a seamless, eye-catching look that perfectly complements your Jeep's aesthetics. But what truly sets them apart is their incredible durability. These mats can handle anything you throw at them. Say goodbye to worrying about a messy interior. Husky Liners have got you covered, literally. Upgrade your Jeep with these exceptional floor mats and make a bold statement on and off the road. Number 2. Lasfit floor mats, the ultimate game changer for your Jeep. These mats aren't just accessories, they're a statement. Crafted with precision and designed for durability, Lasfit has truly nailed it with this one. When you step into your Jeep, these mats scream quality. The fit is snug, the grip is firm, and the style is off the charts. Made to handle whatever Mother Nature throws at them, these mats are your Jeep's new best friend. Mud, snow, or spilled coffee, nothing phases them. But it's not just about protection, it's about elevating your Jeep's interior. Lasfit has combined practicality with aesthetics seamlessly. So, if you want your ride to stand out and be protected, Lasfit floor mats are the way to go. Upgrade your Jeep game today. Number 3. Bestop floor mats, elevate your Jeep's interior. Revamp your Jeep's style and protection with Bestop floor mats. These premium mats are tailor-made for Jeeps, ensuring a perfect fit. The rugged design not only complements your off-road adventures but also defends against dirt, mud, and spills. Crafted from high-quality materials, they're built to withstand the toughest conditions while offering an easy cleanup. Say goodbye to worries about your Jeep's interior. Bestop floor mats have got it covered. Upgrade today and experience the perfect blend of style and durability. Your Jeep deserves nothing less. Number 4. OEDRO's top-tier floor mats, designed with Jeep enthusiasts in mind. These rugged mats are the ultimate game changer for your Jeep, offering unbeatable protection and style. Crafted with precision, they fit like a glove, keeping your vehicle's interior spotless from mud, dirt, and spills. What sets OEDRO apart is their commitment to quality. These mats are built to last and withstand the toughest adventures. Plus, they're a breeze to clean, so you can spend less time tidying up and more time conquering the off-road. Elevate your Jeep experience with OEDRO floor mats. Your Jeep deserves nothing but the best. Number 5. 3W floor mats, tailored to perfection for your Jeep. Sport utility vehicle. These mats are an absolute game changer, designed to tackle any adventure you throw at them. From muddy trails to sandy shores, they've got you covered. National Park. Crafted with precision and durability, these mats are built to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring your Jeep's interior stays spotless. Flexed biceps. Their sleek design complements your vehicle's aesthetics, making heads turn wherever you go. Glowing Star. Say goodbye to worrying about spills, dirt, or wear and tear on your Jeep's floor. Upgrade to the 3W floor mats today and experience the ultimate in protection and style. Sunrise over mountains. Don't miss out on this must-have addition for your off-road journeys. Motorway. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best floor mats for your Jeep, it's essential to prioritize durability, style, and functionality. After exploring a range of options, we've narrowed down the top choices for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helps you make an informed decision to keep your Jeep's interior protected and looking great.